Okay, so today we are going to focus and talk about on who is a business analyst and what they do and what are their roles and responsibility. So as a business analyst is a professional who basically focus on the business and development team. And also most important part, they will focus on customer and what is their need, what they are looking, and how they can make a bridge between customer and then development team. The business analyst is basically the bridging the gap between the stakeholder. So they will focus on the area where the business is looking and how the business is needs to perform and achieve the business goal into the next environment. So their primary goal is to identify the business needs, analyze the problems and recommendations based on the data driven, and make sure they are on the agreed solution. So they will focus on the value, focus on the improvement, efficiencies, effectiveness, and delivering those values. So they are the bridge between the business and then development team. They perform a lot of business tools, techniques to understand the requirement from the business and business need, how the requirement changes, to understand what customer or the client or end user are looking. Just like you can see the development in the mobile phone, network, internet. So they have been looking into the various business requirements to bridge the gap between the user's perspective as well as the customer perspective and to achieve into the technical solution. So they are the major responsibility of the business analyst. Just to do this in the business, they will focus on the requirement gathering, analyzing the requirement, process mapping, delivering of the values, elicitations, requirement traceability, requirement mapping, and data gathering based on the lot of workshops, interviews, discussions, business requirement, necessity, to make sure that the customer requirement are being identified and delivered into the right technical solution. That's a major role of the business analyst. Yes, of course, there are the various responsibilities which they perform. We'll see into the next video.